Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another first impression for you, unboxing and first impression. And this is the house or the brand of my the brand of Paris Corner, and this is in particular called Killer Oud Revolution 100 ml Eau de Parfum. So this one is supposed to be Reflection Man by Amouage clone, so we'll see how that goes. Before I do that, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are hidden gems, they smell good. Okay, so without further ado, here we go. So the box is alright, it's not bad, especially for a price under £30. It's good, I like it. It's basically it looks like some sort of mirror or whatever. Yeah, okay, so it opens up like this and the bottle sits in here. A very heavy bottle. So the bottle is very heavy, it's thick. The cap is metal and very heavy. And here we go, it says Killer Oud Revolution Eau de Parfum 100 ml, and here we go. Not bad. The spray is okay. It's not one of the best, but it's okay. It does the job. Okay, so how is the first impression for this? Is Paris Corner Killer Oud, and this is Revolution 100 ml Eau de Parfum, aimed for men. But let's see. Here we go. First impression. Oh, so at the moment it's very citrusy, but tiny bit on the harsh side. So a little bit on the harsh. So when you put it on the skin, don't go straight in, because when I went straight in and it's just giving me that tingle. So a little bit of alcoholic, a little bit of harshness, and also a little bit of synthetic smell to it. If you remember the first, the smell is nothing like it, just to put you in the right direction. If you remember the first Arm of Club New Intense Man, EDT, the original, which was very harsh, lemony beginning, this is very similar to a very harsh beginning at the moment. Okay, here we go. Yeah, quite harsh, so probably you need to leave it for a few minutes to settle. At the moment it's a little bit on harsh side and also a little bit on the synthetic side. I almost can't smell anything else, is because that citrus is that lemony, lemon pledgy, little bit of like almost chemical smell to it, but it's not bad. It's not excellent, but it's not bad either. Yeah, I can smell some floral in the background, probably white florals, but again, because that synthetic massive lemony smell to it at the moment is covering everything. Yeah, little bit hint of spiciness, hint of pepper. Background is quite woody, and the woods probably is very muddled at the moment. I can't distinguish them, but most likely to be cedar. And also the white florals in the mid, they are at the moment, they are in the background, but I can detect them a little bit. Overall not bad. Under £30. Okay, I unboxed and reviewed Al Haramain Reflection Man. That one was much better quality and much better opening, much better perfumery. Here the perfume is a little bit muddled, a little bit on the harsh side, a little bit on the synthetic side, but overall it's not bad. I'm not going to bash it, say horrible. No, it's not horrible, but it's not refined, it's not balanced, it's not smooth in any way, shape, and that harshness is still there. So what I'll do, in the next video I'll let you know how it develops, the longevity, and probably I'll go head to head with that Al Haramain Reflection Man, which is much better quality, at least for a first impression was, and I'll let you know if there are, you know, which one is better and all that good things. But for now, for first sniff, first impression, it's not bad, but it's not good or it's not great either. So this one you can find it in United Kingdom under £30. That is a little bit steep, but again, let me tell you the my conclusion in the next video. For the first impression, first sniff, I am on the border. I'm on the fence. So I'm not impressed, but I don't think it's horrible either. So in the next video, I'll let you know the rest. In terms of age, at the moment it's a bit harsh, so I don't know what to say. Occasion, this is definitely on the casual side, but you need to probably spray it before you go out, probably about half an hour or so, just to get rid of that harshness. In terms of age, probably 25 and up. In terms of season, this is again versatile. You can use it any season, warmer, cooler weather. In warmer weather, less sprays. In cooler weather, more sprays. In terms of the occasion, again, very versatile. You can dress it up, dress it down. Better for casual. You can't take this one and dress it up, really. Anyway, so I'll let you know in the next video. And for first impression, I'm on the fence. I'm a bit okay. I'm not impressed, but I don't think it's horrible either. Okay, guys, all right. So if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. If you have it, if you know it, if you've tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you'd like to purchase one of my own fragrances, yes, those are beautiful, amazing, and very, very high perfumery. They are best of the ingredients. They are one of the most mesmerizingly beautiful fragrances you ever smell. Very, very mysterious, very, very unique and artistic. 100% natural. No additives, no preservatives, no harshness, no alcohol, no nothing. And they are one of the most, what shall I say, oh my god, it's my own perfume. I know I shouldn't plug it like this, but anyway, I'll leave them in the link as well. Okay guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.